an inverted descent to the public with some rolls. Back the stick. Pay attention. Performed by applying a full lateral stick. This shows how the Eurofighter 2000 is handled with a very short speed, with great fluidity and harmonic movements, with wide angles of attack. In the next slide, stone as if it's been 5 angles, with the ground, the G-factor is 9. Suddenly, with half a roll, the Schneider becomes inverted. Now the pilot feels literally like being pulled out from the cabin to a -3G effect. This was surely one of the rare chances to take a glance at the Typhoon cockpit from an unusual perspective. Aircraft stabilized, closing this another turn and flying again towards the crowd. Now with a vertical pull-up, the two engines thrusting at maximum rate bring Major Luca Campello up to 85 feet. The Eurofighters show its incredible capabilities to fly at vertical high-speed rates. In this case, we're having a vertical speed of about 200 meters per second, descending in a high alpha spiral with high angles of attack, without any loss of energy and extremely accurate maneuvers. The aircraft turning in a very small space. This kind of turning is performed only by aircraft with a particular aerodynamic design. Towards display line sensor from right to left with a little bit nose up. The Typhoon reduces its speed to 110 knots. So, ladies and gentlemen, shake your hands and say hello to Major Luca Campello. This is one of the very few occasions to join the site of this wonderful public before running up his engines again. It's very impressive how as soon as he reaches the middle of display line, he has the motor literally lights out, starting up a maneuver in which there is a constant increasing of speed and G factor, starting from 200 knots and 2G up to 6 in his turns. And now in front of you, from left to the right, just fly over. From your left, Major Luca Campello with his Typhoon is ready to perform an important cannot see the runway, and flight down toward us. Get down and lights on, approaching to final path at 130 knots. It's quite strange to see the Typhoon going down at this low speed value after incredible aerobatics and idle position, making any noise. Ladies and gentlemen, Typhoon on the Italian Air Force Flight Center is about to touch down on ground. The speed is only 110 knots. Major Luca Campello controls the airplane, and this 17 tons aircraft is safely